Hey guys, this is HP LaserJet MFP M140WE. This printer is multifunctional printer, can copy, scan, print with this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to print document from mobile phone to this printer. You can print photo or any document you want. So this printer is connected with this phone via Wi-Fi network. Basically, to print your document from your phone, you need to go to wherever you save your document. So go to your file. I'm going to go to my files. Okay, now the next thing is you need to select download wherever you save the document. My document is saved in the download section. So go to downloads, select the document, open it up. Now this is the document I want us to print out. And to print this document out, you need to go just gently tap on it. Then it give you option for you to edit this, print, upload to cloud, share. So select print. It will give you this option. You see this app. Then you need to scroll down to select the correct printer. This printer is HP LaserJet MFP M140W. Select on it. And once this printer is linked up, you will see a yellow printer icon. Okay. Now the next thing to do, you need to scroll down to select how many copies we want to print. This one. Okay, you select this printer can only print black and white, and there's no option for you to print double-sided. Then paper size is A4, orientation, portrait, pages, all pages. And once you've done that, then you select print. Use HP, select OK. Now this document is printing. So this is the first one. We're going to wait for the second one. Okay, this is the second one. Now another way to print document from this printer is for you to go to HP Smart App. So go to HP Smart App. And this printer is ready. So this printer is connected with this phone via Wi-Fi network. So the printer is here. Okay. And once the printer is ready, then you need to scroll to the side and look for print document. Select PDF or photo. So select PDF. So if you are printing photo, then you select print photo. So select print the document you want to print. And this document is 2 pages, but I want to print only one. Okay, so select preview. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to select how many copies, 1, and also page range. Scroll down. I want to print, so select 1 of 1. So select 1 of 1 for you to print only page 1. If you want to print only page 2, then you select 2 to 2 for you to print page 2, or you select all. Then once you select that, then you select color is mode, black and white. Then paper size is A4 paper. Orientation automatic. If you go to more option, it give you option for you to select quality, best quality, fit to page. Then go back and select print. So we're going to print only page 1. Our print job is on this way. There we go. This is the document we printed out. Okay, so guys, this is how to print your document from phone to HP LaserJet printer. If you're happy with this, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you.